Hello English learners and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a very popular topic. It is K-beauty. K-beauty means Korean beauty. Korean beauty and skincare have become very popular around the world. Many people love Korean skincare products because they are often focused on gentle clean, hydration and healthy looking skin. But K-beauty is not only about using many skincare products. It is about creating a simple routine and taking care of yourself every day. So let's learn about K-beauty. What is K-beauty? K-beauty is a term used for Korean skincare and beauty. When we think about K-beauty, we often imagine fresh, glowing and healthy looking skin. You may have heard about glass skin. Glass skin is a popular Korean beauty trend. It means a skin that looks very smooth, clear, hydrated and glowing. But remember, real skin is not perfect. Everyone has pores. Everyone can have pimples. Everyone can have dry skin or oily skin sometimes. So you don't need to have perfect skin to be beautiful. The real goal should be healthy and comfortable skin. The Korean skincare routine. One famous thing about K-beauty is the skincare routine. Some people follow many steps, while others prefer a simple skincare routine. A basic routine can include a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. The first step is cleaning. Cleanser helps remove dirt, sweat, oil, and makeup from your face. It's important to clean your face gently. You don't need to scrub your face too hard. After cleaning, you can use toner. A toner can help aid moisturize and prepare your skin for the next steps. Next, some people use an essence or serum. These products can provide extra hydration or help with specific skin concerns. After that, you can use moisturizer. Moisturizer helps keep your skin hydrated and comfortable. And during the day, sunscreen is very important. Sunscreen helps protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. So if you want to start a simple K-beauty routine, you don't need 10 products. You can start with just a few basic products. Why is K-beauty so popular? There are many reasons why K-beauty has become popular. One reason is focus on skincare. Instead of only using makeup to cover imperfections, K-beauty often focuses on taking care of your skin. Another reason is variety of products. There are many different Korean skincare products available. There are lightweight toners, hydrating essences, different types of serums, moisturizers, sunscreens, and sheet masks. Many people also love the beautiful packaging of Korean beauty products. The packaging is often simple, cute, colorful, and elegant. This makes skincare feel fun and enjoyable. Sheet masks. One of the most famous K-beauty products is sheet mask. A sheet mask is a thin mask that you can place on your face. It usually contains a liquid or essence. People use sheet masks to give their skin extra hydration and to enjoy a relaxing skincare moment. Imagine coming home after a long day. You put on a comfortable sheet mask, you sit on your sofa, you listen to your favorite music, and you relax. It can be a peaceful moment just for you. You don't need to use a sheet mask every day. It is simply an optional part of your skincare routine. K-beauty is about self-care. One of the best things about K-beauty is the idea of self-care. Taking care of your skin can also be a way to take care of yourself. Sometimes life is very busy. We have to work, we have to go to school, we have responsibilities, we have many things to think about. Because of this, we sometimes forget to take care of ourselves. The skincare routine can give us a few quiet moments every day. You can slow down, you can breathe, you can relax, you can focus on yourself. It's not only about looking beautiful, it's about feeling good. You don't need a perfect skin. Social media can sometimes make us believe that everyone has perfect skin. We see beautiful photos, we see glowing faces, we see people with smooth skin. But remember, many photos are edited. Real skin has texture. Real skin has pores. Real skin can have pimples and marks. And that is completely normal. You don't need perfect skin to be beautiful. Don't compare your skin with someone else's skin. Everyone is different. What works for one person may not work for another person. So learn to understand your own skin. Maybe your skin is dry, maybe it's oily, maybe it's a combination of both. Maybe your skin is sensitive. The important thing is to find products that work for you. Start simple. If you are new to K-beauty, don't feel confused. You don't need to buy 10 products. Start with basics. Use a gentle cleanser, use a moisturizer, and use sunscreen during the day. If you want, you can slowly add other products, maybe a toner, maybe a serum, maybe a sheet mask. But remember, more products do not always mean better skin. Sometimes a simple skin is best routine. The most important thing is consistency. It is better to have a simple routine that you follow regularly than a complicated routine that you stop after a few days. Final thoughts. K-beauty is more than just skincare. It is about taking care of yourself. It is about being patient. It is about staying consistent. It is about enjoying the process. You don't need expensive products. You don't need perfect skin. You don't need to follow every beauty trend. You simply need to understand your skin and take care of it. Remember, healthy skin is more important than perfect skin. Consistency is more important than perfection. And self-care is more important than following every trend. So take a few minutes for yourself every day. Wash your face gently, moisturize your skin, protect your skin from sunscreen, drink enough water, get enough sleep, eat double balanced diet, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. Beauty is not only about how you look, beauty is also about how you feel. So enjoy your skincare routine, enjoy your little moments, and remember that you are beautiful just as you are. Thank you so much for listening to today's podcast. I hope you enjoyed learning about K-beauty. If you are learning English, I hope this podcast helped you to practice your English too. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep taking care of yourself. And I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye and have a beautiful day.